In this video, I'm going to unbox the Smart Cute sofa slipper, and we're just going to check to see what you get, and I'm going to do a close-up on the material so you can see what you're going to expect to get. It says it is water repellent against pets and kids, non-slip, adjustable elastic strap, and you can even wash it in the machine once it gets dirty. Okay, so here I'm going to open it. Okay, so let's open it. So when it arrives, it comes in this bag. You can purchase this for around $40, depending on your location. So here, it's quite a nice soft fabric. So if I move it, if I run my hands across it, you can see. Okay, so I'm just going to open it up and let's see the material underneath it. So here is the soft material underneath. It's quite soft. You can see it's quite soft here, fluffy. Okay, so let's put it on the couch and see what it's like. Okay, so there is a strap here. You can put it around the back of the couch, and then it goes to this side. There's also another strap here. You can put in. You can pull it all the way in. Push this one to the corner like this, and then that will give you protections. So the kid can make a mess on the couch, and the dog can walk on the couch, and your couch will be protected. Thank you for watching this.